Planning to explore Warsaw but don't want to carry your luggage all day? Radical Storage offers a convenient and secure way to store your bags while you discover the city. In this video, I'll show you how to use Radical Storage, a reliable platform offering insured luggage storage at local businesses. Radical Storage partners with trusted places like hotels, shops, and cafes across Warsaw to ensure your luggage is safe and insured as you explore. To avoid phishing sites, access Radical Storage directly via the link provided. Once on the official site, search for Warsaw in the search bar, and a list of available luggage storage locations will appear. You can choose a storage point close to key tourist spots, transit stations, or anywhere convenient. Select your desired drop-off and pickup times, then proceed with a secure payment process. After booking, you'll receive a confirmation with a reference number and directions to your chosen storage location. Once you arrive, show your reference to the staff, and they will safely store your luggage. That's it. Now you can explore Warsaw luggage-free, with peace of mind knowing your belongings are safe. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.